Welcome to Tameron Honda. My name is Julius. I'll be your sales specialist for our journey on the SI. It was a pleasure speaking with you and Mrs. Williams this morning. This is just one of the few SIs that I do have. It's a very rare vehicle. It won't be a problem getting any package or color that you need. The SI is going to have a little bit more detailing than the average Civic, just like the red trimming on the chrome downlip spoiler and the SI logo badging. Hey, this thing has so many bells and whistles. Let me show you the inside. Not only do you have keyless entry, everything is black with the red stitching. It's like customized seats, okay? And it's a manual transmission with an 8-inch display screen. Wilburt, I appreciate your interest. I look forward to working with you. Just let me know where we need to be. We're home of Life Care, the 250,000 mile powertrain guarantee, so our whole thing is customer service, okay? Give me a call, 205-835-7435, and at Tameron Honda, we guarantee you'll love the way you treat it.